Hello students, welcome to Sairam Education channel. Today I am going to solve exercise 1.1 of relations and functions. That is first main, second question, which is a relation R in the set n natural numbers of n defined as R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4. Solution here. You see that is the relation given here, y is equal to x plus 5. It means, so the possible set of x is less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. We put in the place of x 1 means that is y is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. The possible order pair is 1, 6. Next, we put 2 in the place of x, that is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2, 7 is the second order pair. So next, y is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3, 8 is the third order pair. These are the possible set of order pairs related to this relation. Therefore, we write here r is equal to order pairs 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. So these are the possible order pairs in the set R. Okay, we check whether this R is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, first we check reflexive. For reflexivity, for reflexivity, so here we observe that such order pairs means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 not belongs to R. So therefore R is not a reflexive relation on n. Okay, next for symmetric, here we cannot find 1, 6 is there. We observe that 1, 6 belongs to R, but 6, 1 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not a symmetric relation on n. For next, for transitivity, so you observe that it is clear from the relation set of order pairs 1, 6 or the 1, 6 order pair is there. There is no such order pair 6 as a first element of order pair for next, and also 2, 7 is there. There is no 7 as a first element of in the set of order pair. There is 3, 8 is there, so there is no as 8 is a first order pair of first element of a order pair. Therefore it is clear that it is clear that 1, 6 belongs to R, but 6 as a first element of 6 as first element of order pair not in the set of or relation, in the set of relation. Okay, you see, as same as 2 comma 7 is belongs to R, but there is no 7 as there is no there is no 7 as first element of order pair. And also in 3/8. Therefore the relation R is neither reflexive neither symmetric nor transitive. Okay. Next question, first main third question. Relation R in the set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to xy such that y is divisible by x. So we determine whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. So by this relation we found the set of possible set of order pairs here. Those are, so 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, 4 is divisible by 4, 5 is divisible by 5, 6 is divisible by 6. 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1, 5 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1. Then 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3. So these are the possible set of order pairs. So we check for reflexivity. For reflexivity, so 1 comma 1 belongs to R, 2 comma 2 belongs to R, 3 comma 3 belongs to R, 4 comma 4 belongs to R, 5 comma 5 belongs to R, and 6 comma 6 belongs to R. It is clear that a set of all elements of set A are related to itself. Therefore R is R is reflexive relation on A. Next, for symmetric so it is clear that 1 divides 2 but not 2 divide 1. So therefore it means 2 is divisible by 1 but not 1 is divisible by 2. So therefore it is clear from the set of order pairs, it is clear that 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not a symmetric relation on A. Next, for transitivity, see here, from the set of order pairs, 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4, again 1 divides 6. So see here, 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4. So 1 divides 2 divides 4. Then 1 divides 4 is here. So therefore it is transitive. We observe that 2 divisible by 1, that is belongs to R. 4 divisible by 2, that is also belongs to R. And this implies 4 is divisible by 1, belongs to R. It means the R is transitive relation on A. So therefore we conclude that the given relation is both reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay.